Today I will demonstrate how to use toggle logic on a CompactLogix PLC in Studio 5000. First, we will open up a brand new program and then go take a look at our controller tags. We are going to add two tags for this project, thus being our toggle tag and our toggle bit tag. You can name these whatever you want, but for the simplicity of this project, those are the two I chose. Both of these tags we will make Boolean type data. Now that those are done, we'll go back to our main program and start adding some logic. In this program, on rung 1, we'll add an examine if closed input along with a single output. On the second rung, we'll add two examine if closed inputs and two examine if open inputs, as well as our output. On our third rung, we'll add an examine if closed input, as well as another output. Our final rung will be an examine if open input with one last output. Now that we have our logic laid out, let's start adding their tags. On rung 1, we will add the push button connected to our trainer, that is local data 2. And we will make the output for this rung our first toggle. Now on to our second rung, we are going to branch together the two examine if closed tags as well as the two examine if open tags. Once that is done, we will tie our toggle output to the examine if closed input and the bottom examine if open input. Now we will tie our toggle bit output to the top examine if open input and the bottom examine if closed input. The output for this rung will be our toggle bit tag. Now on rung 3, we will make the toggle bit output our input for the examine if closed. We will paste down the toggle bit output onto our rung 4 examine if open input as well. The two outputs to go along with these rungs, our first one will be the red light on our trainer, and the second one will be our blue light on the trainer. These will demonstrate the toggle function between the lights. The final bit of logic in this program will be adding a one shot. This will be used to make sure that our lights do not flicker when we're pressing the button. You can name this function block whatever you want as well, but we will make it a Boolean data type. Now that that is done, you can see we have no errors in our program and we are ready to test it. Our last step is to set the path to our PLC IP address. Now we are ready to download the program and put it into run mode. Now as we look at our trainer, you can see when the green button is pressed, the red and blue light will toggle on and off.